Do you struggle with the shape of a shamrock? Today I'm going to show you my trick to how I draw shamrocks on my rocks. My secret is that I use heart shapes, and I start with one in the middle and then I take another one on the side, and you want to line up kind of the diagonal angles of the hearts together. And then I came back and made the center one a little bit larger because that's kind of how I want it to be, and then added a little stem onto it and you have a shamrock. For this stone, I'm going to add some Liquitex gesso just because it's one of those dark Mexican beach pebbles, and green can be a picky color to get on there nice and bright. Because I want this to be nice and bright, I'm going to use parakeet green and just coat the entire shamrock a couple of times, because even with the gesso on there, I had brush strokes in there that I wanted to get rid of. So I did 2 coats of this parakeet green across the entire shamrock. And you know me and my sparkles. I have this Dragonfly Glaze that I don't use very much because Full Spectrum is my favorite, but this one is a violet blue green shift. And so I thought this would look really pretty on top of the green shamrock, just for a little extra shimmer to make it stand out. So I'm going to give a once over for the entire shamrock. You didn't think that would be the only sparkle on this cutie, did you? I am going to outline the entire shamrock with this Folk Art gold glitter paint with a dotting tool, just a nice thin little outline just to seal the design, and it gives it extra sparkle. There are lots of other things you could do with the shamrock. You could add more green accents, you could add some rainbow accents, tons of things you could do, but I just wanted to show you this quick trick that I use for getting the shape of the shamrock down without too much stress. I hope it was helpful and that it helps you too. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss future uploads that include fun little tips like this. And as always, thank you so much for stopping by to watch, and I'll see you next time. Take care.